Every successful company eventually reaches a turning point, a moment when the old ways of working can no longer keep up with its ambitions. For AgileHRO, a fast-growing HR and staffing solutions provider in Singapore, that moment came when growth began to outpace their systems. Sales teams were spending far too much time manually entering leads, often leading to delays, duplication, and incomplete records. Without standardized processes, data quality suffered, making marketing campaigns less effective and sales forecasting unreliable. Follow-ups weren't being tracked in a central place, which meant missed touchpoints and lost opportunities. Post-sales operations were also struggling. Service delivery progress and SLA performance were tracked in separate silos, leaving leadership without the real-time insights they needed to act quickly. And with fragmented reporting, building an accurate pipeline view was a constant challenge. AgileHRO needed a solution that could unify their sales, marketing, and service operations into one seamless ecosystem, a platform that was scalable, automated, and insight-driven. That's where our Salesforce Sales Cloud implementation came in. We designed and delivered a phased transformation, starting with sales and marketing automation. Leads are now automatically assigned to the right sales reps based on region, industry, and service line, removing delays entirely. Custom fields and segmentation models ensure accurate, rich data capture, while standardized opportunity stages bring consistency to every deal. Real-time dashboards now show leads by source, opportunities by stage, and pipeline value, giving managers instant clarity. For performance insights, we enabled complete activity tracking for calls, emails, meetings, and LinkedIn interactions, and introduced automated reminders so no lead ever goes cold. A custom sales target object now allows tracking of team and individual goals, with dashboards comparing targets to actuals at a glance. On the operations side, we created a service delivery object to monitor every client's onboarding, SLA adherence, and service timelines. Automated SLA breach alerts mean the team can respond proactively before issues escalate. Roll-up account summaries give the client success team a complete view of account health, and leadership can now track resource allocation and onboarding progress in real time. The results speak for themselves. Reduced lead response time, improved sales productivity, better data quality, and a complete view of both sales and service in a single platform. AgileHRO now runs with greater agility, collaboration, and confidence, fully prepared for its next phase of growth. From manual, fragmented processes to a unified, automated, and scalable CRM ecosystem, this is the story of how we turned bottlenecks into a blueprint for success.